We got a problem. See that? Why? What's going on? This top piece came out, broke off. Come on, man. No bueno. It's not good. I am glad I have one extra laying around. So to replace this, the front, it shouldn't matter left or right. What you need is you have to take this ball out. This one, 15, and then there is 21 here, and this brake line, and I take this off. And then there is check this one out. It's 10 millimeter. This one 13 millimeter. Yeah, it was a pain to put it back up. And I am done. See this? Supposed to be like that. Pew. There is what going on. So this is supposed to be air seal. For your information, this is the original Tesla. I believe it is made by Firestone, I think. Not sure. They just put Tesla logo on it. I'll be staying shocked, and I'm not sure about this one. I like Harbor Freight stuff. Bauer. I am so cheap for Milwaukee or DeWalt. Bauer. But they get the job done. Good job. Come on, man. I was thinking of replacing them, so I buy one. I already replaced the driver's side, the left side, so I didn't replace this side. This thing broke when I ran over a train track. It was kind of jump when it slammed. So if you need the air suspension, this car have 170,000 miles. Let's see how many. $176,000 miles. Believe you can see it. 176,814. So it's not bad. Seems like it's not leaking. Better not be. When I am rich, I'm gonna buy a better one. You're gonna need T3, torch T3 to remove the brake line bracket from the old shop. Does it? I will see. How glad I am. I drive over 200 miles with the Lewis, or lower than the Lewis, so the Lewis height. So it wasn't a nice ride. A nice ride. It wasn't a nice ride. Yeah, this one came off too. See, this where the tube go in the airline. Like that. Okay, that's it. It is 11:31 p.m. almost midnight.